Now we know the reason why Maggie disliked her school. It was a virtual classroom. Her teacher was like a robot. It did not care whether she was learning things well or not, nor could clear her doubts. It taught at its own pace. So she asked Tommy that why would anyone write about school? He said that the school was not the kind that they had. Maggie said that she did not know what kind of schools they had centuries ago. She was curious and imagined a group of children being taught by a human teacher. Maggie could not believe that a man was a teacher because she had never seen a man doing that and had always seen a machine doing that. Tommy tells that the man who taught the class discussed many things with the students, gave them homework, and then asked them different questions based on it, just like their mechanical teacher did. He said that the human teacher is as knowledgeable as the machine. Maggie did not want to discuss this further and added that she did not want a strange man, the human teacher, to come to her house to teach her. Tommy found it very funny when Maggie said that she did not want a strange man to come to her house to teach her. He said that teachers didn't come to the students' house to teach them. They had special buildings, a school, and the students went to the school to study. And the children of the same age studied the same thing. Maggie was astonished on knowing this. She was inquisitive. She wanted to know what kind of schools there were in the past, as she felt that they were fun. Maggie started reading the book and had just read half of the book when her mother called her as it was time for her to attend her virtual school. Maggie's school was in the room next to her bedroom. She said to her mother she did not want to go to school. Maggie's mother said that Tommy too that should go to his school. Maggie was so interested in reading the book that she asked Tommy if she could read the book with him after school. He agreed. Tommy was feeling very great because Maggie was interested in reading the book. He placed the book under his arm and he went off to his home. Maggie reached her school. It was a room next to her bedroom. It was a virtual classroom. There was a machine teacher for Maggie. It was on and was waiting for her to begin teaching her. Maggie sat in front of the machine, similar to a computer, and the machine was turned on. Maggie was thinking of the story told to her by her grandfather. Her grandfather once told her that his grandfather used to go to school when he was a little boy. As Maggie is bored with the machine, she is reminded of that life. That life is the life that we are living at present. But for the kids in the future, it will just be a memory of the past. For them, it will be history because their life is very different. They will study from machines. When Maggie comes to know that in the past children used to go to school, they sat together, laughed and shouted in the school, she gets curious about it and wants to go to school. Maggie feels that school is so much fun. Children get together, they study in a fun way. They get the same homework and they can discuss it, take help and talk about it also. So all the students become friends and study in a fun way. As Maggie was thinking about all of this, she inserted her homework. The machine started with the lesson. There was no pause, no time for fun, no time for chatting, and no time for interacting with friends. The author ends the story with the title of the chapter, The Fun They Had. The fun the students had when they went to real schools. Maggie is just thinking about the kids of the past who went to school and enjoyed studies. The writer wants us to realize the importance of school in our lives. Children sometimes get bored and fed up of going to schools. But if you don't have a school, you won't get to meet friends. Your life will be dull and boring. And students, no one better than you all can relate to it now. You all are also studying at home from your virtual teachers, that is the laptops, the computers and your phone. And I'm pretty sure you miss coming to school, meeting your friends, playing with them, discussing your homework with them. So I'm pretty sure you like the chapter and finally you'll start realizing the importance of schools in your lives. So in this lesson, that was all for today. Let's have a quick recapitulation, a quick summary of the chapter. The story opens with Maggie writing in her diary about an old book that Tommy had found. Maggie was reminded of her grandfather, who had once talked about his grandfather, who went to an actual school where the students were taught by a human teacher. However, Maggie and Tommy lived in the future world. In the year 2157, when education was completely computerized. They did not go to schools. Instead, they had a special study room in their house where a computer taught them. The computer teacher was programmed and adjusted according to the needs of every child. Now and then, the computer teacher developed faults which were fixed by a county inspector. Both Tommy and Maggie wondered at the book they found at the book that Tommy found in his attic. They wondered as they read on the screen of their computer teacher. Maggie felt that the computer teacher was boring. She disliked the mechanical teacher and learning from it. She also wondered how much fun it would be studying in a school, studying in a fun way with other children, and that too from a human teacher. So students, that was all for today. You're all requested to kindly go through the lesson very well, go through all the study material that you have, and be prepared for your exam well. Thank you, students. Have a nice day. Thank you.